Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, it's been quite a few months, but I'm really excited to be back. And the first video, it's kind of exciting. I'm actually going to be installing a new headlamp kit that Baja Designs sent to me. It's actually not in the box because I already took it out. Because I already tried to shoot this video like multiple times, like a couple days ago, and it just was a nightmare. So I am simplifying it as much as possible just so I can get this video done and so you guys can check out this new kit. So Baja Designs reached out to me a few weeks ago and asked me if I'd be interested in using their headlamp kit. And I said, yeah, totally. So they sent it to me and I'm going to go ahead and take off my stock lamp and put the new kit on from Baja Designs and then show you guys what that looks like. One of the things I'm really excited about is it's not the look as much as the actual functionality of the headlamp kit. If you have any idea what it's like to use a stock headlamp on a DRZ 400, you will know that this piece of gear, equipment, is kind of really exciting. I'm really excited to test it out and have it with me on my Vancouver trip. So in a couple of weeks, I head out for Vancouver BC, Canada on a solo motorcycle trip on this baby right here. I'm so excited. So it does come with instructions, written instructions, as well as visual. Anyways, but if you like to read, right there on the side there, you can read that and get your instructions on. All right, let's take off the stock headlamp and then I will install the little bulbs, the headlamps, sorry, not bulbs. I will install these into the Baja Designs frame, which is this guy right here. Pretty cool, pretty simple. So I'm gonna keep the outer stock casing and this will be the frame to the lamps that I will put in that came with the Baja Designs kit. So yeah, all right, let's do it. After spending a ton of time triggering my OCD and perfectionism, trying to get these centered and flush with the bracket here. And I was having the hardest time getting the screw and the bolt steady enough without this moving as I tightened it, and it was literally driving me mad. And I spent so much time trying to like get it perfect, you know, perfectly mounted and the level and the spacing. So, oh my God, oh, if you are an OCD person or a perfectionist and you don't think through the process ahead of time, now that I have them pretty much installed and I can make minor adjustments, micro adjustments after I mount it on the rack, I'm gonna connect the connector here that Baja Designs provided, which is the easy plug and play part of this installation to this headlamp kit, which is amazing. So you don't have to do any wiring or any kind of soldering or anything like that. So let's connect it, and then I'm going to turn it on, and then I'll finish adjusting these headlamps before I put the case, the full cover on, headlamp cover. So yeah, let's do it. So each headlamp has just over 2,300 lumens, which makes it combined between both headlamps about 4,640 lumens. The stock headlamp didn't even compare. So the low beam on the stock headlamp was about 1,100, and on the high beam it was about 1,800. Yeah guys, so you're gonna see this headlamp on my trip a lot. Well, that's it for the new Baja Designs DRZ 400 headlamp kit. It's pretty sick. It's pretty dope. It'll look really good on an SM. I want to feel like I can see, that I'm safe, and it's full-on functional. Down below is a link to the headlamp if you are looking for a new headlamp. This is it, and now's the time. Go do it. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, subscribing. Also, comment and let me know what you think. First install for LA to Vancouver, BC. Yay! See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.